Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I have our July card challenge on my Instagram group. This is another 6x6 paper pad that my friend Cheryl gifted me a few years ago and just now using it. This paper pad have very cheerful and bright colors that I really like. So here I'm showing you the beautiful patterns that are in this paper pad. I will also be using stitch circle die set, and the images I use are leftovers from previous card projects. I saved them for other projects just like this. The colored images are from Hero Art's Color Layering Pineapple, Altenew Perfectly Perfect, and Stampinda's Hummingbird stamp sets. I really like that I already have the colored images because it really saves me time on making these cards. Our card sketch challenge is chosen by Kyla from our Instagram group, and she chose Mojo Sketch 524. Let's go ahead and cut our pattern papers. I love having card sketches because it saves you time to think for card design, and this one already have measurements, so the small pieces that I cut, and you need two of those, is cut to 2 by 4, and then the larger one is 4 by 5 and 1/4 inches. And I also have 2 inches circle, and the strips I just cut them from cardstock scraps to 1/4 inches. So here are all the pieces that I need for my cards today. I cut all of them first to make it easier for me to assemble the cards. I also cut some strips to go inside the cards, and the small scraps will go on the back of the cards, so we don't have a waste or small scraps that I need to save. For the circle die cuts, I will add broken china oxide ink in the middle so my images have colored background. And I'm just using my blending brush here to spread the color. Once everything is ready, we're gonna go ahead and adhere everything together. I use double-sided tape and a little bit of liquid glue to make sure the papers adhered well. I'm always worried that if I don't use enough glue on my cards, it will pull apart before it will reach the recipients. I'm gonna let you watch this part, and I will see you at the end. And here are my lovely cards. I really like how the paper layers together. I hope my Pinay paper crafters will like it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.